I deserve a life filled with love and abundance. My mindset is rooted in positivity and prosperity. The more I love myself, the more abundance I attract. I am surrounded by love, success, and opportunities. I trust the universe to guide me to abundance. My self-worth is reflected in the abundance I receive. I radiate confidence, and success follows me. I am the creator of my reality, and I choose abundance. Everything I desire is already on its way to me. My life is a beautiful balance of love, joy, and prosperity. I am open to receiving unlimited abundance. Prosperity flows to me effortlessly. I am aligned with the energy of wealth and success. I deserve financial freedom and security. Money flows to me easily and frequently. My opportunities for abundance are limitless. I trust that the universe always provides for me. I attract wealth and abundance with a grateful heart. I am financially empowered and secure. My bank account is constantly growing. I am grateful for the wealth and blessings in my life. I am open to new opportunities that bring financial growth. My actions create prosperity and success. I release all fears and doubts about money. I have more than enough to support myself and others. I am attracting my dream life effortlessly. I welcome abundance in all areas of my life. I am a magnet for financial success and security. I manifest wealth with ease and confidence. I am worthy of all the success coming my way. I am worthy of love, respect, and kindness. I honor my journey and embrace who I am. I release self-doubt and embrace confidence. I am proud of how far I've come. My body, mind, and soul are worthy of care and love. I give myself permission to rest and recharge. I am deserving of joy and happiness. I radiate love, and love returns to me in abundance. I attract healthy, supportive relationships into my life. I let go of perfection and embrace my true self. I forgive myself for past mistakes and choose to grow.